Hi, this is Angela Moorad at OMazing Kids AAC Consulting. So in order to edit a board here in ChatterBoards, if you're editing for a student, patient, client, you would need to have their board sent over to you. I have a previous video that I'll link below that shows how to do that. Then you would open up that board, tap up here on the gear, edit tiles. And then you just tap, say if you wanted to change that one to have a picture of themselves, you could do that. So see here, once you tap on there you have photo library, camera, sample images, or remove image. That's where you also would change the text. You could change the color. I wouldn't recommend doing that because it's already color coded. If you wanted to do recorded speech, you could, and then you would just click done. So it's easy as that. You just, after you've done all your editing, be sure to save. If you want to change how large a board is, you can do that here. Save. If you need to edit within a category, get to the category and then tap edit tiles, and see right there, now it's opened up the option to add one. I'm going to add a tile, and then you would just go through the process of adding an image to it, adding the text to it, decide if you want recorded speech. Let's see, maybe we want a cracker. A cookie, maybe. Cookie. The symbols they have within the app are pretty limited, so you may have to use photos or go out to one of the symbol options online like Arasac or global symbols and find what you want. Save it to your iPad and then import it. But this will just give you an example of the process of actually how to edit. Hope this helps.